With Gamma, you can create stunning presentations, documents, and web pages with AI. These are automatically enriched with beautiful images that can be web-sourced or AI-generated. Today we'll show you how you can go beyond your imagination by adding AI-generated images to your documents. We'll teach you 3 ways you can add images, and in the end, some tips to tweak those images to match your vision. Let's get started. Creating a project with images. When you generate a document, presentation, or website in Gamma, you can always choose the image source. After starting a new project, in the prompt editor, you can specify if you want web-sourced images or generate them with AI. Let's choose to generate with AI, and don't worry, you can always add web-sourced images later if you want. When you click this option, you will also see a box to add details about the style of your images. Stick around because, at the end of this video, we'll teach you tips on making the most out of it. Now that this is set, click on Generate and see how your Gamma is created with pre-populated images that make it look stunning. Add images with drag and drop. After your Gamma is created, you can still add more images. To do so, click on the Add Images option of the toolbar and select a source. For this case, let's select Generate Images with AI and drop it where you want. Gamma will display a field where you can add details to generate the images. Our assistant is very smart, so it will pre-populate it based on the card context, but you can always make adjustments. You also have the option to choose the image style and the aspect. Once you're satisfied with the settings, simply click the Generate button and watch the magic happen. The AI will show you 3 different options, and you can pick the one of your preference. Ask Gamma's AI assistant. Another way of adding images is by asking our assistant. Just click on the Edit with AI button and tell the assistant to generate images using AI, then drag and drop them wherever you want. You can also use this to change any existing image. Just select the one you want to replace and ask Gamma for new suggestions. Then drag and drop them on top to make the replacement. Tips to generate better images. When generating images with AI, you can add more details to style your images and achieve a certain look. You can do this by entering the details in the Image Details field or by instructing our AI assistant. For example, you could specify what to show in the image, like a futuristic cityscape at sunset, a serene forest with autumn leaves, or a vintage-style image of a bustling coffee shop. You can also specify various styles or influences, such as minimalistic and clean, an abstract and modern approach, or a photorealistic style. The more specific you are with your styling prompts, the better the results you will get. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what you can create. With Gamma, you can go beyond your imagination and create beautiful documents, presentations, and websites enriched with stunning AI-generated images. Start for free at gamma.app and open the door to a new creative universe.